Hi again. Today I am here with the unboxing and try-on of two Hermes Men's Spring Summer 2023 shirts. One is a dress shirt in Gris Luminere that's going to be buttoned down, long sleeve. The other one is more of a cotton, just more casual t-shirt. So let's get to it. Okay, so this one is the dressier shirt. Obviously, it is 100% cotton, pretty lightweight. The pattern here is something that is introduced for the spring summer 2023 with different geometric lines. We have white lines, some dark green or yellow, if you will, lines as well. I just thought this would be a nice pattern shirt. My collar here as well. Sizing is true to size with the other Hermes dress shirts. So I am a size 40 with a 15 3/4 inch neck. So this fits just like the other Hermes cotton dress shirts. Along the same lines, you will see the codicil buttons for the sleeve here, the cuff as well, on both sides, as you can see. So again, pretty typical buttons, sizing, design of the shirt. It's just the pattern is different, feel is exactly the same as well. So I will try this on in a moment. Before I do, let's unbox the other shirt. So here's the t-shirt. Again, following Hermes sizing and their overall designs. It's cotton. Even this over here, this stripe design is in cotton as well, which I like because most of the recent designs have been putting in leather or silk, which is obviously much harder to clean. Whereas if it's cotton, if you put it into like a clothes bag, for example, in a delicate cycle, you can wash it. Much easier, much more practical to clean. So I've been avoiding the leather designs, even though I like them, because I just don't want to go out and get them dry cleaned. Sizing is the same as well as cotton t-shirts go. No surprises, small, medium, large, extra large. I'm a medium, so I got a medium, fits great. This design is a little bit more straightforward, solid navy color. I believe it also comes in a green and a white and a brown. And there's the stripe here, there's two solid colors, kind of flanking this more of a geometric colored stripe here. I just thought it was something a little bit different. So let me go try it on, and I'll be right back. All right, so here I am with the shirt. As I said, I'm a medium, this is medium, fits well, no surprises. Pretty solid color. I will turn it around, but there's not much for you to see. And it's standard Hermes cotton shirt, so it feels nice and soft and just like I expected. I do like this design here as well. You do feel a little bit of the sewing in the seams because these are separate pieces of fabric, but it's not scratchy, it's not annoying at all. Even if I kind of like squat down a little bit, do this, or move my arms up and around, it doesn't bother me at all. So I think I'll definitely enjoy wearing this this summer. So let me go try on the next shirt. Okay, here I am with the dress shirt. Pretty good. Size I expected, feels like I expected as well. Again, no surprises, very consistent. Let me go and turn around. So you can see the pattern continues all the way around the back and sides. And I forgot to mention that this shirt comes in the Gris Luminere or gray that I'm wearing right now, as well as a whitish blue and bluish color. And pricing, let's talk about pricing. This dress shirt retails for $1,750 in the US as of May 2024. And this t-shirt here retails for $1,300. This is higher than the normal t-shirt price because they do have to do these 3 strips and sew it together versus a single garment, which is why it's several $100s more than the normal t-shirt. Thanks for watching. As always, please feel free to leave any questions, comments, feedback below. Always like to hear what you think and what you would like me to do in future videos, and I'll see you next time.